Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is Video Cut. I'm here with Malik. Just got him right. Check out the video.
Alright, look, first thing first, we gonna pin up the hair. You know, you always gotta get the hair out the way so you can get the cut right. Alright, we're gonna lay down his hair in the front. This is so we can make sure the lineup is crispy. We're gonna just comb out all the hair just to make sure everything laid down. We can cut everything nice and evenly. So right here, I took the one with the grain and I just knocked down the hair.
Nigga, I just wanna rock out of the shows. I just wanna get so lit until I float.
Alright, here's where I set my C cup. This is a different type of cut I haven't seen people really do, where you leave the sideburns and you only do the C cup right at the edge, so you can keep darkness, a lot more darkness with the connection between the sideburn and the beard. And he didn't know he had a beard. Really, you can't really tell until I did the razor lineup. Made his beard pop a lot more. So right here, I took the 1 and the 0, and I kept playing with the guard open and closed. Then right here, I did no guard all the way open. Just flicked out that bottom line and then started to close it to the lower we got, just to blend out everything.
On a plate, eating my mind like a steak, cause a nigga make mistakes. And
Then I did the same thing with the beard, open, no guard, just fading out the beard. And the same steps with the side right here. Actually had to go down with the 0 with the green to knock off some more hair. And then I went up with the 0. Now I'm no guard, open, and we close it gradually.
I'm rolling outside in the coupe, little baby wanna scoop. Took a nigga hoes, but I'm not him. He ain't got the money, I'ma spot him. Tying up the boot, I ain't had to press him cause
Right here, he wanted to learn what I was doing when it comes to lineups. So I was just explaining how you connect the top and the bottom to each other.
I'm locked in, rolling outside.
And then we did some more detail work. I faded up a little more because I didn't like how dark it was. I wanted it a little more light. So I took the 1.5 and went up a little more just to lighten it out. Smooth out the blend. Then right here is just detail work, knocking out that dark line. Just some more detail work with no guard. I like to do that at the end with no guard all the way over.
Get inside my bed, now I'm running up that turkey, sit inside that fucking stash. I put 100 up, I bet you fucking glad that I ain't laugh, cause I'm a...
Went back to this side with the 0, went down with the grain. Then did some more detail work, just blending out the fade. Really want to stretch it.
I was like Bob the Builder. Bet you she carried a log, and she carried a strap in the bag. Niggas is never attacked. I'm running it back and pushing it up to the mat. I bet you this money attract. I'm knowing the facts, bitch. Yeah. If you knowing the answer, then why would you ask? Knowing some.
All right, here I had to make sure everything was lined up with the hairline because you don't want it to be uneven. Then you take the top, then you take the bottom, and you connect them. It's real simple. Then I just knocked out behind his ear. This part right here is very left out in a lot of cuts. I feel like it brings the haircut all together.
The river that made it home in time for dinner.
Don't be afraid to ask your client to hold their ear if you need it. All right, here, flatten the hair out. Go from one side to the other. Make sure the hairline is nice and proportional. All right, now we're on to the back fade. Same thing as the front. Just knock down with the 0, knock down with the 1. Then go in, taper it. This taper was pretty easy on the back. I went the 1 open, and then I just went down from there.
Bitch, we bout to peel them like an orange, I got the feeling, Nigga, I'm a builder, yeah. Laying wood all night, bitch, nobody builder, that's why I love.
Right here, I did no guard all the way open and just created a guideline to work with. This is the 1.5. Just knock down some more bulk.
Let's get behind me, I'm a flee, I'm a ride, smoking Zod, about the pack, yeah, nigga, I'm so hot, yeah, nigga, I'm so fly, when I'm stepping.
All right, now we're at the razor lineup. I ended up lining the back up, finishing it out, but the camera was dying, so I had to get the important footage. I put some shaving gel on them and lined them up again. Then I went in with the razor. This part right here brings the whole haircut together, in my opinion. It's my favorite part. That razor line is just sharp.
Slow, I love all my niggas, They ain't never switching unless them block them with the switches, Bitch, we bout to peel them like an orange, I got the feeling, Nigga, I'm a builder, yeah. Laying wood all night, bitch, nobody builder, that's
Clean up all that hair off them.
Switching unless them block them with the switches, Bitch, we bout to peel them like an orange.
Now that I look back, I really could have took that front line and like got some more hair chopped off. But he really wanted the thickness. See, you could stop here. Most barbers will stop here, but I like to make sure the full cut's together. So I ended up lining up his beard. No enhancements on this cut. This is all just razor. And yeah, that's the cut. This is just alcohol. Make sure you clean your clients up. No bumps. You don't want no spray. That's the cut, y'all.
Watch it smack. That little bitch be on my dick, my puppy. Now she on the left. Nigga, I ain't tell no lie, but fuck it, tryna run it back. Fuck around, 1, 2, now step slide, bring it back. Fuck around, 1, 2, now step slide, watch it smack. That little bitch be on my dick, my puppy. Now she on the left. Nigga, I ain't tell no lie, but fuck it, tryna run it back. Tryna run it back to them days where I'm getting cash. Bitches on the plane, yeah, I'm flying, yeah, I'm super fast. I just hit that motherfucking thing. Now she wanna laugh. Now she wanna laugh. Bitch, go call your cab. Bitch, go, bitch, go, bitch, go. Bitch, go call your cab. Bitch, go, bitch, go, bitch, go. See, God stretch my head. I'm tryna get back to the motherland. I'm about to take a stand. See them rubber bands all in my pants. God take my hand. I'm tryna get back to the motherland. I'm about to take a stand. See them rubber bands all in my pants. Fuck around, 1, 2.